As you go through the steps of setting up your side hustle business, you need to decide how you are going to accept payment from clients or customers. This video covers the most common payment processing options for small businesses like yours. Number 1 is credit card processing. A majority of people prefer to pay for goods and services using a credit card or a debit card. This means you should have a method for accepting both. Most small business payment systems offer secure card processing for online payments. If you are going to be accepting payments in person, you can look for systems offering both online and POS or point-of-sale credit card processing software. Number 2 is mobile payment processing. Mobile payment apps are growing in popularity, and a mobile credit card reader is a reliable way to swipe cards anywhere a sale takes place. Customer data is securely stored in your account, and a good system can send out automatic receipts. Look for payment processors who offer readers for Android and iOS operating systems. Number 3 is ACH or Automated Clearinghouse Processing. This system sends money from clients and customers directly to your business bank account through electronic transfer. You can set up an e-check system that is an electronic version of a real check. The customer fills out the check form and submits it for processing. This is a good alternative for card payments, and you can offer it in addition to card processing for greater payment flexibility. Number 4 is email invoicing. If you offer a service, you may want to have a system where you send your client an electronic invoice document through the payment processor. The client reviews the invoice and pays with a debit or credit card. You receive the funds once their payment is processed. Choosing a payment processor and system is an important decision. Take the time to review various payment systems to find those that fit your business needs the best. I hope this information helps you create a successful small business. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.